Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care products. Today, we're talking about one of the most innovative foundations on the market, the Tlm Color Changing Foundation. If you're looking for a foundation that adjusts to your skin tone, provides moisture, and protects your skin, then this is the one for you. The Tlm Color Changing Foundation comes in a unique liquid form that starts off white and transforms to your perfect shade as soon as you blend it into your skin. This color-matching foundation uses exclusive shade-sensing beads that activate upon application, intuitively adjusting to your skin tone for a natural, flawless finish. It's not only a foundation but also a moisturizer, and it includes SPF 15 protection, making it ideal for daily use. Whether you're dealing with long days outdoors or simply want to add an extra layer of protection against the sun, this foundation has you covered. This foundation has been formulated to work with all skin types. It's designed to hydrate and provide a silky finish, giving you a glowing, smooth complexion. What makes this even better is that it's non-greasy and long-lasting, so you can rely on it to stay put throughout your busy day, without worrying about reapplying. Another fantastic feature is its versatility. It's not just about covering blemishes, it actually helps to even out your complexion, making it a great option for those who prefer lighter coverage but still want to conceal imperfections. The Tlm Color Changing Foundation is designed to blend seamlessly into your skin, leaving no visible traces behind. And it won't leave any marks on your clothes either, so you don't have to worry about those pesky foundation stains. One of the things that truly sets this product apart is how it combines skincare with makeup. Infused with a blend of oils like olive oil, coconut oil, and argan oil, the foundation nourishes your skin while giving it that perfect coverage. It's an all-in-one product that can take you from day to night, keeping your skin moisturized and protected without feeling heavy or cakey. If you're someone who values convenience and wants a makeup product that multitasks, the Tlm Color Changing Foundation is a must-have. It's great for all occasions, whether you're going for a natural look or need a foundation that can stand the test of time. The combination of skincare, SPF protection, and customizable coverage makes it an essential in anyone's beauty routine. So if you're ready to experience a foundation that adapts to you, click the link in the description below to check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.